Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to receive calls in HubSpot. If you're managing customer communications through HubSpot, being able to receive calls directly within the platform streamlines your workflow and keeps all your interactions in one place. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has the necessary permissions to modify calling settings, as this feature requires admin access in most cases. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Hover over this area and click on the gear icon to access your account settings. This is your control center for configuring all the important features within HubSpot, including how you'll handle incoming calls. Once you click on Settings, you'll be automatically directed to the General tab. This is exactly where we need to be to configure your calling preferences. The General tab serves as the starting point for most account-level configurations, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this section. Now look at the menu options displayed at the top of the Settings page. You'll see various categories listed there. Find and click on the option labeled Calling. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all aspects of phone communication within HubSpot, from making outbound calls to receiving incoming ones. Within the calling menu, you'll find the setup options for HubSpot calling. Here's where you'll configure how you want to receive calls. You'll see two primary options: Get Started or Port Your Existing Number. If you're setting up calling for the first time, click Get Started to create a new number. However, if you already have a business number you'd like to use, select Port Your Existing Number instead. This allows you to transfer your current phone number into HubSpot, maintaining continuity with your existing contacts and ensuring customers can reach you at the number they already know. And that's it. You've successfully configured HubSpot to receive calls, allowing you to manage all your customer communications directly within the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.